Welcome. In this quick tutorial, we will show you how to bring back a deleted lesson using Snapshots feature in Articulate Rise 360. First, before any changes are made, always save a snapshot of the course. To do that, click the Snapshots tab in the top navigation bar. Then click Save Snapshot. Give it a meaningful name. In this video, we named it Version 1, then click Save. Now, imagine you are editing your course and accidentally delete a lesson. It happens. But don't panic, we have got a backup. Go back to the Snapshots tab. Find the snapshot you saved earlier in the list. In this video, we saved it as Version 1. Click the three dots next to that snapshot. Then choose Restore from the drop-down menu. A message will pop up asking if you want to continue. Just click Restore to confirm. And just like that, your deleted lesson is back. Easy, quick, and stress-free. Keep using snapshots regularly to protect your work and recover anything with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy course creating with Articulate Rise 360.